Replace but with because. This is the secret to validation. So instead of saying, I shouldn't feel this because my life's so good. I shouldn't feel this way about my parents because they tried their best. I shouldn't be mad at my professor because blah, 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 whatever. I don't know what examples. Instead of saying because and invalidating yourself, I want you to validate yourself by saying, so here's an example. I hate pregnant women, and that's okay because it's been really, really hard not being able to be pregnant. Or it's okay that I'm really mad at my mom or my dad because that trauma's impacted my whole life. So instead of invalidating yourself, I want you to validate and just give yourself permission to feel whatever you feel.